Hello, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Rohit's Foodspot. In this episode, we will be making pita chips, a quick and easy snack that you can serve at a party or just have when you're feeling hungry. This is one of the easiest recipes to make, only requiring Arabic bread, olive oil, and any seasoning of your choice. The first step is to cut the Arabic bread into manageable pieces in the size and shape of your desired chips and place that onto a baking tray. Try not to overlap the pieces too much and continue until you've used up all of your bread or have your desired amount of chips. Next, you want to drizzle the chips with a thin layer of olive oil. You don't want to use virgin or extra virgin olive oil, as those oils have a low smoke point, which is carcinogenic. The olive oil helps the chips to crisp up and helps adhere to the seasonings. If you use too much oil, your chips will become soggy, so try and keep it as thin as possible. Finally, you want to add your choice of seasonings to the chips. There are many different types of seasonings that you can use, but I did two batches. In one batch, I did Italian herbs, while in the other, I did za'atar and sumac. One of both chips turned out really good, and whatever the choice of seasonings you choose, it should taste amazing. While you were preparing your chips, your oven should have been preheating at 210 degrees Celsius. When the oven is hot, place the chips in the oven and remove when they are browned and crispy. This shouldn't take more than 15 minutes, but your timing may vary depending on the amount of chips that you make and also the how hot your oven is. That's all it takes to make pita chips, and it's a super easy and super delicious recipe. I really hope that you try it. If you like the video, please press the button underneath the video, and if you'd like to see any more of my content, please press the subscribe button with the notification bell switched on. That's all for now, and I hope to see you soon.